I'm Tessa Agerton.
And I'm Jasleen Botello. Welcome back to Scots Weekly.
We have some important announcements for everyone here at Highland High School.
Let's get into it, Scots.
First up, Scots, Spring Fest wraps up today with a rally during third period, so bring the energy and get ready to be loud.
You already know it's going to be an exciting rally you don't want to miss.
Quick reminder, we're on an assembly schedule today, so classes will be shorter than usual.
Stay focused, stay locked in your work, and then let's turn up at the rally, Scots.
Next up, seniors, cap and gown delivery is going down today.
Get ready, graduation is right around the corner.
Make sure you're ready to pick up your cap and gown during lunch near the finance office.
Don't miss it, seniors. Finally, juniors and seniors, it's prom season.
Prom bids are now on sale in the finance office for $70 with student view or $65 with the student ID. You can purchase before school, during lunch, or after school.
Important, you must have a signed permission slip from the activities office turned into the dean's office before you can buy your ticket.
Bringing a guest from another school, make sure to complete and turn in a guest form as well.
Also, all debts must be cleared before purchasing, so take care of that early.
Don't wait until the last minute. The final day to buy bids is April 29th after school with no exceptions. We're heading to a quick commercial break.
We'll be right back.
Bro, like, I feel like everything in life is doing so bad right now. I'm like, my grades are bad. I lost my girl. You don't even listen anymore, bro.
Oh man, you're just always on your phone now. You used to like, bro, all you do is just sit and just watch TikTok. You used to be so nice and caring. You used to like talk to people if they needed you, but now you're just like, you're addicted.
Welcome back, Scots.
You already know what time it is.
It's time for sports.
What's up, Scots? I'm Julian Jackson.
And I'm Chris Castillo. Welcome back to sports.
Let's jump straight into today's sports announcements.
Today, track and field is heading out to McFarland High School to compete in the Gary Adams Invitational. Good luck to all of our athletes.
Plus, our swim team will be facing off against Frontier at the Kern High School District Eastside Aquatic Complex starting at 3:30 p.m. Come and support.
In baseball action, freshman baseball is on the road at Bakersfield Christian, while JV and varsity boys will be playing at home. First pitch at 4 p.m.
And don't forget, JV and varsity softball will also be taking on Bakersfield Christian at home starting at 4 p.m. Let's pack them stands, Scots.
Tomorrow, track and field back in action at the San Luis Obispo Invitational. Keep representing, Scots.
And that's a wrap for sports.
Hope you have an awesome day, Scots.
Stay winning and peace out.
Thanks for the update, guys.
Now, check out these videos.
Hey Scots, I'm Reagan.
And I'm Stephanie, and we've got a big announcement.
Hadestown Teen Edition is coming to Highland. You do not want to miss it.
The show will be happening today and tomorrow, plus April 23rd, 24th, and 25th.
All shows start off at 7 p.m. in the Wesley Anderson Hall.
Tickets are just $10 cash, and all ages are welcome, so bring your friends and family.
Plus, don't miss a special performance on April 23rd featuring Broadway's Nicholas Cologne.
Mark your calendars.
And get ready for Hadestown.
That's a wrap for today.
And as always,
Remember to
Plaid up.